Okay, I'm back. Let's think about this for a minute. I was initially going to say, let's just put a piece of plywood over this whole thing. When I started thinking about it, that if I do that, this isn't going to be pushed down all the way. I mean, could a mouse get in there? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, so I am going to, the top plate is here and here. This is just on the top to provide sheetrock backing over here and over here, across, over on this side. So this is the plate, and this can be put over there, that can be put over, and I, move wires around. See, somebody cut this wire and it's just sitting here, wasn't hooked up for anything, and I was the one who pushed it there. But if you got a wire like that, you can see if it's long enough to go over there, which it would have been. If not, pull on certain things. Maybe you'll get lucky. You'll find something loose. So I'm gonna take that. That goes down to where some coaxial cables are and stuff, down in a cabinet by the TV. So I'm gonna leave that up there. Maybe they can use it for a pole wire someday, right? Okay, and this can go over there. So if I just cut a triangle through there, I think I can go there, and then I can just cut the end of the triangle off and the end over here off. And I brought some little pieces. I happen to have some little pieces. See, I think that, no, that one's just a hair too short. See, I had a little piece, look at that. It almost fit, but it didn't. And I brought some other pieces. See, now this piece here will be long enough, I believe, just like that. And see, I don't want to just try to screw it down. I'm gonna end up cutting. I'll use this stuff as straight edges and cut that. And I brought a few pieces. See, I happen to have all kinds of little scraps, and I like to save them because I never know when I'm gonna need them, right? So I carried them up here too, just like these. But see, I think that one, I can use that one, and I can use these for, or this other one has a straight edge probably. And I'll do some measuring here and see what I can come up with and get ready to cut that with my skill saw. And yeah, I still have my battery operated skill saw up here. Okay. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.